This weather report brought to you by Twomey Schriber Property Group.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The burning sun is starting to evaporate all the puddles left over from the recent rain, and the air feels as thick as butter. Tomorrow is going to be a classic hot summer's day, with storm clouds gathering in the late afternoon ahead of some showers on Sunday, Monday. It's starting to get boring announcing the same temperatures day after day with so little variation, but it's worth reminding you that they're all above average, even if only a degree or two. Let's look at the satellite loop now. You can see it's a lot clearer today compared to a couple of days ago when we had that massive rain cloud covering the state. It's not completely cloud-free. There have been little bubbles of shower-bearing clouds popping up randomly. No doubt you saw some of them with the flat bottoms and the big billowing tops, but they haven't amounted to much in the way of rainfall. And of course, we've got a very stable upper atmosphere at the moment with the upper level trough now well offshore and having weakened. Now on today's chart, very open pressure pattern. Remember, it's the isobar spacing that determines wind strength. So when you have so few lines on the chart, the winds are very light, and the coastal waters have been very pleasant. There is a trough now straddling around the western Queensland border. On tomorrow's chart, that trough marches a bit further east and starts stretching into the Darling Downs. On its eastern side, we may see some thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. It will be a very hot day with a light northerly breeze ahead of that trough. Then on the outlook chart, a high moves across southern Australia, pops into the Tasman Sea and extends a new ridge of fresh southeasterly winds into Queensland, cooling things down a touch, but it will stay humid in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters. South to southeast winds between 10 and 20 knots tomorrow, and then shifting east to southeast in the afternoon. Sunday's winds and Monday the same, anything between southerly and easterly, never more than 20 knots. This weekend will be the first of the summer king tides. Tomorrow morning's high tide will be huge, and so will Sunday's, so please take extra caution when judging currents. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, just a 20% chance of a shower or storm tomorrow. Cairns, another hot night, 25 degrees, 34 tomorrow. Atherton 30, 32 for Innisfail, and Mariba 33. Looking ahead for Cairns, more rain next week, mostly passing showers with sunny breaks rather than menacing thunderstorms. The spell of oppressive heat and humidity will unfortunately continue indefinitely. That goes for Atherton too. Temperatures will peak probably about 30 degrees on Saturday, Sunday, and then again 31 degrees for Thursday, Friday. Enjoy the weekend in the bliss of all the rain we've had, but remember we have a La Nina summer on our hands. The wet season's only just started and the soil has no more room to hold water, so prepare for challenges ahead. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, thank you very much, Steve. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company. Have a great weekend.
And that's it for me from now. I'm taking a few weeks break, so have a wonderful Christmas. Stay safe, and I'll see you again in the new year. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.